Welcome back to my channel, Wellness by Zainab. Have you ever stood in the grocery store holding two food packages both claiming to be healthy and felt completely lost about which one to pick? Maybe one says low fat while the other says sugar-free, and you wonder which one is actually better for me. Food labels are designed to help us make informed choices, but they can also be confusing, filled with nutrition jargon, and sometimes even misleading. Today, I'll guide you through how to truly understand what's written on the package so you can choose healthier foods with confidence. By the end of this video, you'll know how to decode tricky terms like light, natural, or moderate compared to products and know which one is actually healthier. Spot red flags in ingredient lists that companies don't want you to notice. So let's begin with some common food label myths and how to cut through the marketing noise. Myth 1. If it says low fat, it must be healthy. People often grab products labeled low fat, thinking they're automatically better. Why? Because for decades we were told fat is the enemy. The truth, many low-fat foods compensate by adding sugar, salt, or artificial additives to make the product taste good. For example, low-fat yogurt may contain more added sugar than the regular version. Strategy. Instead of just looking at low fat, check the full nutrition facts, especially added sugar and sodium. A balanced option may be one with moderate fat but lower sugar. Reflective thoughts. Next time you see low fat, ask yourself, what did they add to replace the flavor? Myth 2. Sugar-free means guilt-free. The label sugar-free sounds like a green light. But many sugar-free foods use artificial sweeteners or sugar alcohols that may cause bloating or cravings. The truth, sugar-free doesn't mean calorie-free. Some sugar substitutes still affect blood sugar, and others may make you want to eat more later. Strategy. Look at the carbohydrate line, not just the sugar. Total carbs give a clearer picture of how the food affects energy. Reflective thought. When you see sugar-free, think, is this really nourishing my body or just tricking my taste buds? Myth 3. If the front says healthy, it must be true. Packaging often shouts natural, gluten-free, or multigrain. These words sound positive, but they're marketing terms. For example, multigrain bread may still be made from refined flour. Strategy: always flip to the ingredient list. If the first ingredient says whole wheat flour, it's truly whole grain. If it says enriched wheat flour, it's refined. Reflective thought. The front of the package is advertising. The back is the truth. How to read the nutrition facts panel. The nutrition panel is like the truth box. Let's break it down. Serving size. Companies often shrink the serving size to make numbers look smaller. Always compare with how much you actually eat, calories. Not just about the number, but what those calories are made of. Macronutrients. Check fat, protein, and carbs. Are they balanced? Added sugars and sodium. Hidden culprits in processed foods. Strategy: a quick scan rouleau in added sugar and sodium, higher in fiber and protein. Reflective thought. The numbers only matter if you compare them to what your body truly needs. Ingredient list. Where the secrets hide. Ingredients are listed by weight, from most to least. If sugar or refined flour appears in the first three, that's your red flag. Strategy. Look for short, recognizable ingredient lists. The fewer, the better. Oats, nuts, honey is much better than maltodextrin hydrogenated oil, high fructose corn syrup. Reflective thought. If you can't pronounce it, ask yourself, do I really want to eat it? Daily values and percentages. The percent daily value, percent DV, helps you see if something is high or low in a nutrient. 5% or less equals low, 20% or more equals high. Example, if a cereal gives you 25% of your daily sugar in just one serving, that's a lot. Strategy. Use percent DV to balance your day. If breakfast is high in sugar, keep lunch and dinner lower. Reflective thought. Labels aren't just about one food, but about how it fits into your whole day. Comparing two products, imagine standing in front of two granola bars. One says high protein, the other says all natural. Which do you choose? Strategy. Compare side by side. Which has more added sugar? Which has more fiber? Which has a shorter ingredient list? Often, the all-natural one may still be loaded with syrup, while the high-protein may have artificial sweeteners. The winner is usually the one with more whole foods and less sugar. Reflective thought. Health isn't about the biggest claim, it's about the smallest details. Survival strategies in the grocery store here are practical tips. Don't shop hungry. Hunger makes every snack look healthy. Stick to the outer aisles. Produce dairy, meat, grains where real foods live. Use the 5-ingredient rule when possible. If a packaged food has more than 5 to 7 unfamiliar ingredients, put it back. Reflective thought. Shopping is where health begins. Your choices in the store shape your meals at home. So, how do you actually choose healthier packaged foods? Don't trust the front labels. Always check the nutrition facts and ingredient list. Look for balance, less added sugar, less sodium, more fiber and protein. Remember that no single packaged food makes or breaks your diet. It's about the pattern of choices over time. As you head to the store this week, I encourage you to practice reading one new label carefully. Compare it with another option and notice what surprises you. Answer this question in the comment section. What's one packaged food you want to recheck the label of today? Thank you for watching Wellness by Zainab. If this helped you, give the video a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more calm/science-based nutrition guidance.